Bitcoin's recent dip is drawing attention, but according to Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan, pullbacks like this are becoming less meaningful as massive institutional capital waits on the sidelines. Hogan says there are now hundreds of trillions of dollars from global wealth managers, pension funds, and major financial institutions preparing to enter the space. In his view, Bitcoin volatility is still normal, but the scale of buyers lining up behind the scenes is unlike anything the market has experienced before. Hogan points out that even a small allocation from these large players could reshape Bitcoin's price structure. A 1% allocation from global wealth alone would represent trillions of dollars, dwarfing the impact of everyday retail trading. Because of this, Hogan believes dips are becoming less of a warning sign and more of an opportunity created by short-term traders and algorithms. He highlights that institutional adoption is already accelerating. ETFs continue to attract steady inflows, financial advisors are increasing client exposure, and more firms are integrating Bitcoin into long-term investment strategies. This shift is gradually changing Bitcoin from a speculative asset into a recognized part of global portfolios. Hogan also notes that the recent price action does not reflect the amount of demand building in the background. Regulatory clarity, new financial products, and rising interest from sovereign wealth funds are contributing to what he calls a foundational change in market structure. These players move slowly, but once in motion, their investment horizon stretches across decades, not trading cycles. According to Bitwise, Bitcoin's long-term outlook remains strong as institutional interest scales up. The current environment, Hogan says, is less about reacting to everyday price swings and more about recognizing how far the market has matured. For investors paying attention, dips may matter less than the unprecedented wave of capital preparing to flow in.
Crypto Hawaiʻi, utilizing technology to facilitate culture. Please like and share and follow.